Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Learn Easy. In this video we are going to do some of the extra questions from the topic of basic geometrical ideas. So this topic is based on your NCERT and I have tried to accumulate all the different types of questions for all of you which you can see in your upcoming exams. So this video will be really helpful to understand the basic concepts of geometry. Friends, if you like my video, please hit the like button and share it with your friends. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, quickly press the bell icon to get the updates. Let us begin with the very first question. Before we start with this video, I want all of you to be ready with your stationery box. Your stationery box comprises of your compass, your scale, a sharp pencil, eraser, and also the ruler. Right, so let us see the first question on the screen, which you can see as question number 1. Draw a rough sketch of. So class, if I talk about open curve is a curve where the starting point and the ending point do not meet. So the open curve is a type of a curve where the starting and the ending points do not meet. If I talk about the closed curve which is closed, that means the starting and the ending points meet each other. The starting and the ending points meet each other. So this is called a closed curve. This is called as a closed curve. When the starting and the ending points meet each other, it is called a closed curve. So you can also draw a circle, which is a closed curve. So let me write down for a few examples. Circle is also a closed curve for you. If I talk about a square and so on. So there are a lot of closed curve examples we can find. So please make sure to understand the fact that the starting and the ending point do not meet is an open curve and the starting and the ending point meet is a closed curve. Alright, let us go to the next question. I hope everybody has made these figures. You can also draw some random figures. It's not a compulsory कि आपको यही वाली figure बनानी है. आप इसके साथ you can draw something different also to just make sure the definition of an open curve and the closed curve is clear in all of your minds. Alright. Okay, let's go to question number 2. Draw a rough sketch of a closed curve made up of line segments. Now the curve should be closed, that means the starting and the ending points meet. Okay, so starting and the ending points meet. So basically the closed curve, अभी मैंने आपको बताया, closed curve means where the starting and the ending points meet each other. Right, but also to make it clear that we need to make a figure where the line segments are involved. So class, here we can involve the line segments as one. I can draw a triangle, right? So triangle, it's a curve, right? So the starting and the ending points have met each other. You can also draw a square. A rough sketch of this means only one is required, but it is your wish. You can also draw pentagon, which has 5 sides. You can draw hexagon, right? You can draw rectangle, right? So all of them, there are lots and lots of examples of what is of a closed curve, right? Closed curve, but which is made up of a line segment. So 2 points to be kept in mind before doing this question is closed curve and a line segment, right? Is it clear to all of you? All right. Let's go ahead to the next question number 3. I hope everybody has made the figure, or shall I wait? Alright. Coming to question number 3. Draw two different angles having common point and common angles. So class, here we are supposed to make ऐसा हमें फिगर बनानी है जिसमें जो एंगल्स डिफरेंट है लेकिन उसका कॉमन पॉइंट एक कॉमन आर्क है. सो वेरी इजी एग्जांपल इज फर्स्ट यू ड्रॉ द बेस लाइन. लेट अस लेबल दिस बेस लाइन एज ओ ए, right? So coming to this one, so here let first is OB, taking out the common arc which is C. OC. So here 1 and 2, 1 and 2. So they have a common point. हमारे पास क्या हो गया क्लास यहाँ पे? So यहाँ पे हमारे पास जो common point आता है, that is common point is point O, right? And the common arm which we have here is common arm जो हमारे पास है यहाँ पे, that is OC. Ray OC is common. So, and the two different angles, let me write it here. The two different angles is angle 1 and angle 2. Angle 1 can also be written as angle AOC and angle 2 can also be written as angle BOC or COB, COA, है ना? तो बेसिकली हमने क्या करा, हमने फिगर एक ही बनाई है, लेकिन उसमें हमने क्या करा है, कॉमन आर्म डिसाइड कर लिया और एक कॉमन पॉइंट निकाल लिया एंड टू डिफरेंट हमारे एंगल्स बन रहे हैं. इज दैट क्लियर टू ऑल ऑफ यू? यस. Alright, let's go to the next question. Question number 4. Identify the points which are in the interior and in the exterior. Friends, always remember one thing. If I talk about the interior points, interior का मतलब होता है inside, ठीक है? Inside. Exterior का मतलब होता है outside, figure के बाहर. And on the closed figure मतलब it is on the figure, ठीक है? Now let us do these questions. Okay, first identify the points which are in the interior. Inside कौन से हैं? देखो, एक हमारे पास है point P, एक हमारे पास है point Q, एक हमारे पास है point R, राइट? अगर हम बात करें एक्सटीरियर की, आउटसाइड में हमारे पास क्लास दो पॉइंट्स है, पॉइंट S है एंड पॉइंट E है. प्लीज इस वीडियो को एंड तक देखिए, तभी आपको पूरे कॉन्सेप्ट्स ऑफ ज्योमेट्री में प्रॉब्लम नहीं आएगी. एक बार ही आपको इस वीडियो से क्वेश्चन समझ आ गए, आपको कोई भी क्लासेस में 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 में कभी प्रॉब्लम नहीं आएगी, राइट? ओके, देन ऑन द फिगर में हमारे पास सबसे पहला पॉइंट है V, right? And we have another point as point U. So here are the three answers, right? Point Q, point P and point R, point S and point T, point V and point U, right? Is it clear to all of you? Easy? Good questions? All of you are finding them easy? Yes? Alright, let's go forward to the next question. Number 5. Identify the following in the given figure. So class, here comes the circle, the topic of circle, parts of the circle. Those who do not know what is a diameter, what is a square, what is a rectangle, kindly check that out in the description box for a list mathematics playlist where we have a special video on basic geometrical ideas where I have explained everything in detail. Your line segment, ray, what are the different types of angles, what are the different parts of the circle. So friends, here let us see. If I talk about a sector, so sector is the ROP, but don't forget to mention in the bracket as the shaded portion. अगर आपने shaded नहीं लिखा वो sector नहीं बनेगा. Chord हमारे पास कौन सी है? MN is the chord, right? Because it is, there are two endpoints joining and both the endpoints are lying on the circle. Coming to diameter is PQ. You can also write MN की जगह अगर आप लिखना चाहो तो PQ is the largest chord. Why? Because it is, although it is passing through center, but the two endpoints are touching on the boundary of the circle. Coming to the diameter segment is MN, and again I am going to definitely write in the bracket as the shaded portion, right? Shaded portion. Is it clear to all of you? Yes? I hope the things are clear to each one of you and you are able to understand. Yes? Question number 6 की तरफ चले. Please draw this figure first and then move on to the next question. Please draw this figure. Done? You can mark this question as important question also. Done? Okay, let's go forward. Question number 6. The question number 6 is a different type of question. It's very interesting as well. It says in the given figure, name all the possible triangles. So we have lots and lots of triangles here. Let us start writing. First we'll write the bigger triangle as triangle ABE. Then I am going to cut down as triangle ABC. Then I have a triangle ACD. देन आई हैव अ ट्रायंगल ए डी ई. पहले हमने बड़ा ट्रायंगल लिखा, फिर 3 छोटे छोटे लिखे. ठीक है, आप देखो कैसे लिखेंगे. हम लिखेंगे ट्रायंगल ए बी डी. देन वी हैव ट्रायंगल ए सी ई. राइट, एनी अदर ट्रायंगल? If any, please write down in the comment section that you have found these angles. Okay, name all the possible triangles. ABE, ट्रायंगल AB आ गया, ट्रायंगल ABC आ गया, ट्रायंगल ACD आ गया, ट्रायंगल ADE आ गया, ट्रायंगल ABD आ गया एंड ट्रायंगल ACE आ गया. Is it clear? All right, let's go forward. Question number 7. Name all the angles given in the figure. So as soon as you see these types of figure, you can quickly mark the angles with the pencil. First draw the figure in your notebooks and then mark all the angles. So that is, first is angle A, angle B, angle C and angle D. Or you can also say it as angle DAB coming to angle B ABC, or I can come to the angle as BCD, or I can also say it as angle CDA, or you can also write it as ADC. Right, so these are the 4 angles which are there in the given figure. I hope everybody has made these angles in your notebooks properly. Done? बढ़े आगे आप लोगों के साथ. I want all of you to do the questions along with me. चलो जी, let's go to the next question number 8. In the given figure, name all the line segments. Now this is a very interesting question. You need to label all the line segments which are given. So you can see lot of line segments here, right? So let us first write down the outer line segments. So it's AB, BC, CD, DE, EA. Coming to the sixth one, EC, AD and BD. Then any other line segment you can see? No. I think we have been done with the 8 line segments. Let us recheck. AB is BC, CD, DE, EA, EC, AD, BD. है ना? समझ आया सबको? Clear है? Is everybody clear about it? ठीक है? चलो जी, let's go forward to the next one. Question number 9 says, use the figure given below and name the following. So we need to name the following angles and we'll answer the various points here. So let us start as line containing point M. Point M कौन सी line में है? Line CM. Line CM. Please don't forget to make the symbols. Symbols hold a very important position while you are writing any mathematics related answers. लाइन पासिंग थ्रू 4 पॉइंट्स. कौन सी लाइन जो है 4 पॉइंट से पास कर रही है? लाइन AN में 4 पॉइंट्स है. कौन से? पॉइंट A है, पॉइंट B है, पॉइंट C है एंड पॉइंट N है. राइट, लाइन पासिंग थ्रू 3 डिफरेंट पॉइंट्स. 3 अलग अलग पॉइंट्स है. सो दैट इज लाइन PQ. कौन से है? पॉइंट P है, पॉइंट B है एंड पॉइंट Q है. Right, is it clear? Coming to D, 2 pairs of intersecting lines. So here one is PQ and AN, है ना? 2 पेयर्स, एक तो ये हो गया हमारे पास और एक हमारे पास दूसरा पेयर क्या हो गया, MC and AN, right? Is it clear? PQ and AN and MC and AN. Is it clear to all of you? हाँ जी, बनाइए इस फिगर को, ये बहुत अच्छी फिगर है, बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट है आप लोगों के एग्जामिनेशन पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से। अगर आप ये फिगर बनाएंगे only then it will be helpful to all of you। ठीक है जी, all right, let's go forward to the next question, question number 10। Question number 10 says, on the given line, name some points, right? So we have two questions here, let me see। Some points are given, write down the name of all the segments। So basically हमें line segments लिखने हैं। So we have one line segment PQ, QR, RS, ST, then we have ST, then we have PT, बड़ी वाली line segment। और क्या हो सकता है, PR हो सकता है, पॉइंट फिक्स कर दो पहला वाला, PR हो गया, PS हो गया, PT हमने ऑलरेडी लिख दी है। देन वी हैव QS, QR हम लिख चुके हैं, QT, देन वी हैव RS हो चुका है, RT। So here we have 10 line segments for question number 10. You please cross check if in case I have missed out on any of the line segment. Please drop your answers in the comment section. I need to see how many of you are doing with me. Alright, question number 11. How many lines can pass through a given point? So always remember that if we have only one point, so infinite lines can pass through. With one line infinite lines can pass through। Coming to question number 2, two given points में से हमारे पास कितनी lines pass करी हैं? It's only one line can pass through। If you have 3 non-collinear points, so no line can pass through, कोई भी लाइन पास नहीं करेगी। नॉन कोलिनियर पॉइंट्स होते हैं कि जो पॉइंट्स एक लाइन पे लाई नहीं करते, नॉन कोलिनियर, दे डू नॉट लाई ऑन द प्लेन, ऑन द स्ट्रेट लाइन। बेसिकली नॉन कोलिनियर पॉइंट्स जो होते हैं उससे हमारे डिफरेंट पॉलीगन्स बनते हैं, एंड वी कैन नॉट मेक एनी पॉलीगन इफ द पॉइंट्स आर ऑन द स्ट्रेट लाइन। We have already done this question number 11. Come to question number 12. Look at the given figure and answer the following. Name the sides of the polygon A, B, C, D, E, F. हमको polygon की sides बतानी है, तो class यहाँ पे let me answer it here. It's AB, BC, CD, DE, EF and FA। ठीक है। Name any two pairs of adjacent side। Adjacent sides का pair, एक ऐसा ले लेते हैं AB and BC, और क्या ले सकते हैं, BC and CD। कोई भी लिख सकते हो, देखो जो जो ये साथ में है ना, ये ऐसे और इसके साथ ऐसे, तो कोई भी ले सकते हो आप, जो आपको अच्छा लगे, है ना। C part, name all the segments which intersect each other at one point। Name the segments, कौन सी segments, एक तो देखो आपकी AD है, BE है एंड CF है, ये सारी कहाँ पे इंटरसेक्ट कहाँ कर रही है, they are all intersecting at the common point which is point O। Coming to the D, name all the diagonals। Same, जहाँ diagonals ही intersect कर रहे हैं, तो diagonals is AD, BE and CF। Is that clear to all of you? समझ आया सबको? I hope these questions are going to help you a lot when you are practicing for your upcoming exams. I want all of you to get good marks because we together have worked very hard to do these types of questions and understand the geometry by very easy, simple, free videos. Right? So, let's come to the last question for this video. That is your question number 13. Fill in the blanks. Dash is the largest chord of the circle. So friends, here the answer will be diameter. Dash divide the circle into two equal, so that is you can say again diameter ही divide करता है circle को दो parts में. A rectangular is a closed curve. A triangle has three angles and three sides. Yeah. Only one line can be drawn through 2 point. 2 point होंगे, एक ही लाइन बनेगी ना. अभी हमने करा था ना क्वेश्चन नंबर 11, याद है ना. हाँ, फिर उसके बाद f dash number of lines can pass through a given point. a given point है तो हम कहेंगे infinite. Infinite number of lines can pass through the given point. A closed figure made up of entirely line segment is called a polygon. आपको पता आना चाहिए polygon क्या होता है. Closed figure, and second is it has line segments. A curve which does not cross itself is called an open curve. The length of the boundary of a circle is called its circumference. जो सर्कल की बाउंड्री होती है ना, हम उसको सर्कमफ्रेंस बोलते हैं. और यही बाउंड्री अगर हम स्क्वायर या रेक्टेंगल में बोलेंगे तो हम उसको बोलेंगे पेरीमीटर, राइट. So these are very important questions for your examination point of view. Please learn these questions by heart, right? So I hope everybody has done these questions. So thanks for watching this video. Thanks for your love and support. You can now join us on Facebook as Learn Easy, where we have regular updates, and you can also follow us on our Instagram page as Learn Easy Online. Please like, share, and subscribe the channel for the regular updates. Thank you.